Hey friends, if you wish to enable print screen shortcut for sniping tool on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select keyboard. Then you'll find an option which says use the print screen key when to open screen capture. So turn the switch on. I'll tell you what this will do. Basically, screen capture itself means sniping tool because that is the default sniping tool, and even otherwise we can use screen capture using control and print screen. But now you have enabled the print screen shortcut for sniping tool in Windows 11, which was disabled by default. You can simply use print screen to use the sniping tool. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.